Rediscover the eternal. Now, I know what you might be thinking. You're probably rolling your eyes and saying to yourself, yeah, sure, just focus. I get it. It sounds a bit cliche. It's not so different from the old Nike slogan, just do it. But here's the thing, when you look deeper, just focus is actually all you need to gain greater control over your life. Focus means directing your attention. And where your attention goes, your time, energy, and resources follow. That's the real game changer, your attention. Because that's something you do have control over. This is why it's so important to rediscover the idea of the eternal now. Believe it or not, you are always living in the present moment. When a second passes, the next second becomes the new now. And then the next, and the next. It sounds simple, almost obvious. But most people miss the deeper truth. They overlook the power of being in the moment. Because in every present moment, infinite possibilities exist. This isn't just about time or space, it's about your mental, emotional, and spiritual states. If you treat the present moment as just a stepping stone to the future, you miss it. You miss the chance to live fully. It becomes easy to move through life on autopilot, rushing, distracted, and disconnected from what matters. Sadly, this is how most people live. Always in a hurry to be somewhere else. Always trying to become someone different. They see their present self as temporary, just a version they need to escape. They want to be 50 pounds lighter, 10 years younger, $10 million richer. And so, their focus burns away, chasing after some future self. The present moment becomes nothing more than a calendar appointment, a waiting room for who they hope to become. And in that rush, we forget the most valuable thing we have, the eternal now. We become busy, distracted, addicted to movement. But here's the truth, that endless pursuit comes at a cost. It leaves us empty. We treat the eternal now like a disposable byproduct of time, not the goal. Not the gift. And that's a tragedy, because the eternal now is everything. It's the foundation of your future. It's the birthplace of your potential. It's where you begin to become what you're capable of. This is what meditation and mindfulness reveal. When you practice being present, you reclaim your power. You become aware that you are here, now. And once you grasp that, you can start to shape your own reality. Instead of chasing the next mental destination, you realize the power is already with you. No matter how stuck you feel, when you rediscover the eternal now, you start to shift your life. You stop kicking the can of happiness down the road. You can choose to be happy, fulfilled, and at peace. Right here, right now. All it takes is to train your mind, not to become something new, but to remember how it was always meant to be. To rediscover and celebrate the eternal now.